Holy crap.
Ew.
Oh! Oh! Look at that.
Look at it move.
That's something to watch right there.
Ew. They're bending their back. Ew, look at this.
Oh, look at his pee-pee.
Where's his baby?
He's showing his pee-pee to the women and showing.
Oh my.
Ew.
Oh! Oh my God!
This is gold.
Ew.
What child would be in this nature center?
Ew.
Oh my God! Did you see his pink wiener?
I saw it all right.
Ew.
Oh! Vibration!
Before they were chasing each other.
Oh my God! Oh! Whirlpool!
He needs to give him.
Oh my God! Did you see his pink weenie come out of his skin?
Where's the other one?
Right down there.
I don't know.
Right here.
They want to. Oh, there it is.
It's down below.
Oh my
Oh, God.
Okay.
This is gold. Let's go.